While not every team we covered this winter made it to the postseason, each gave us plenty of memorable moments along the way. Here's a look at some of the best plays we saw this season, starting with girls hockey. Girls hockey finished their season 4-15, but this goal from freshman Shay Davison against a highly ranked Milton team was electric. Rockets finished their regular season with a win against Norwood thanks to this breakaway goal from Bella D'Amelio in the first, and a tip-in from senior Megan Scroy in the second. A nice end to a rough season. Boys hockey also had success against Milton, with junior Matt Ledbury scoring a long goal late in the third period against the Wildcats. Needham would end up winning that game 2-1. Senior Joey Saratella led the team in scoring with 11 goals, one of which came from this shot against Weymouth. Nice pass by freshman James Tobin on that one. 4 minutes later in that game, Saratella has a breakaway and feeds the puck to junior Bennett Christie for a goal. Unfortunately, Weymouth would storm back to win that game. So, from the ice to the court, junior Ashlyn Flaherty sinks a 3 here to put girls basketball ahead of Pembroke. Down by 1 later in that game, senior Hannah Levine knocks down a triple, and the Rockets go on to win that game by 2. Against Bay State Conference foe Natick, freshman Emily Jones ties the game up with a 3. With less than 30 seconds to play, Levine finds senior Eva Andrews for the tying basket, and we head to OT. Very first play in overtime, Flaherty threads the pass to Levine for 2, and Needham wins 47-40. We can't have a top place segment without this one from Levine. She goes off the back of a Woburn player and scores. Time ticking down in the first half, junior Lila Jansen drains a 3 to make it a 1-point game in the second round of the playoffs. Rockets would defeat Woburn and advance to the state quarterfinals. Boys basketball defeated rival Wellesley in their 19-3 season. Senior Kanan McNamee saves the ball from going out of bounds with a between-the-legs bounce pass. Will Rosman turns it into points. Then, against Milton, junior Luca Verano snags a steal and takes it to the hoop to put the Rockets up 20. Later in that game, senior Maddie Clunan missing a free throw, but Foster Walensky passes him the rebound, and he'll just hit a 3 instead. Late in the first quarter versus Newton North, senior Andrew Chen's 3 is short, but McNamee there to grab it and score as time expires. Rockets a big over Weymouth. Walensky gets the ball, and he's going to dunk. What a bucket from Foster. Then, against Walpole, it's Walensky with a buzzer-beating 3 to take a 1-point lead. But there was no bigger play than this one for boys basketball. Rockets down 1 in double OT to eventual state champ Bishop Fionn. Clunan nails the 3 with just 8 seconds left. Unfortunately, Needham would end up losing in quadruple overtime, again, to the eventual state champs, but still a great shot and moment from Clunan.